What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. All right, so today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Odyssey G6 27-inch non-OLED version. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this thing. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of specs here, and I'm going to show you guys what mine looked like at the end. All right, so with mine right now, I'm doing a 4-monitor setup, and all I'm doing right now is replacing a particular monitor that I have. It's a 27 or 24-inch monitor. Monitor is like super old. It's like 4 years or no, 10 years old, somewhere around that range there. I don't know if you guys can see all this. So I'm gonna have to kind of like move the box down a little bit so I can kind of show you guys what's up. All right, there we go. All right, so it's about maybe 10 years, maybe 8 or 9, somewhere around that range, years old. So we're replacing that one, and we're gonna go with the 27. Now, my whole plan is to maybe buy 2 more of these, and we go from there. All right, so with here, looks like we got the power bank, we have a remote, and then we have the power cable itself. Hopefully that shows up. I got the screen turned around the other way, so I really can't see. All right, so we have also the, looks like the stand where you can raise your monitor and lower your monitor. And it looks like these are the brackets if you want to place it on a wall. And this is the stand, the bottom part of the stand. This is the legs. Some more stuff here. I'm not sure exactly what that one is. And then we have the monitor itself, my friends. Now I got the black one. The one I got the other day, the 49-inch. I upgraded my 49-inch as well. I'm just going to keep my Samsung ecosystem about the same. I just want to keep everything, you know, in the friendly fashion here. So I'm going to show you guys inside the box. All right, so that's what it's looking like right there, and all the little parts and everything like that are right here. So we're gonna put everything together. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with right now. All right, so that's pretty much what it's looking like right now. Got the new monitor here, the 49. Replace it with another. This is a Samsung one we just bought yesterday, and these are the other monitors right here. So I'm gonna look at replacing that monitor right there. And this is my other one here. So I'll probably put the new one up there, move this one over to this side here, replace that one there. And then depending how it looks, then I'll get 2 more eventually down the road. All right, so let me show you guys a close-up of what you got on the bottom here. Now, you do have, it's got a display port. You got HDMI, one there, another HDMI. You got USB, there's 2 of them, 2 USBs. There's a PC, not sure what that one is, LAN, headphone jack, and then you also have your power thing there. Then you got some directional buttons here, I guess for control. So you got those there too, which is really cool. So this thing's jam-packed with a bunch of stuff. I'm just waiting for my bracket to come. I ordered Amazon, should be here today between 2 and 6, so I can start mounting this thing on the arms, because the existing ones don't fit. So I'm glad I did order that to be on the safe side. Guys, I stand corrected on the bracket. I don't even need that. I can pretty much cancel my order. It comes with a bracket right here. And the thing is, if you guys are looking for getting a VESA bracket, it's got it already here. It's going to line up. Everything's going to work. Everything that I have already existing is going to work, guys. So, hey, I can cancel my Amazon delivery. Hey. All right, guys. So this is what the setup looks like for now, until I just do any like minor tweaks. So we'll go along with it for now. I mean, I may put this monitor on the bottom here. I don't know yet, but setting this thing up was a pain. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's like, because these 2 monitors are the Samsung ones, and they're trying to do like their little smart setups and things like that, and it just became very, very, very annoying. So if you guys are setting this up, you got to turn game mode off, and you got to do a bunch of stuff, because just to hook it up to the computer, it's not that easy. But always make sure you guys come back to the channel for some more. I'll do like a full review on each one of these 2 monitors, so you guys can see exactly what my thoughts are. I had this one for the past day. I just got this one today, so you know, it is what it is, guys, but we'll see what it is. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.